Understanding casino betting strategy starts with recognizing two distinct categories that work in fundamentally different ways. You've got staking systems that manage how much you bet, like the Labouchere and martingale methods, and then you've got decision strategies that optimize your gameplay choices, such as Blackjack basic strategy. This distinction matters because mixing them up or applying them incorrectly can drain your bankroll fast, so let's break down exactly how these systems function and where they actually apply in real casino games. The Labouchere strategy works specifically on even odds bets, where payouts are 1-to-1, meaning games like roulette when you're betting red or black, or baccarat punto banco when you're choosing banker or player. Here's how the Labouchere system actually operates. You create a number sequence that represents your profit goal, then you bet the sum of the first and last numbers in that sequence. When you win, you cancel both those numbers from your sequence. When you lose, you add the amount you just lost to the end of your sequence. It's a negative progression system, which means your bet sizes grow after losses, and that's precisely why it demands strict bankroll limits before you even start. For the best results with Labouchere, apply it to European Roulette single zero outside bets rather than inside numbers, because you're getting better odds with that lower house edge. Something crucial to remember about random number generator games is that each spin stays completely independent from the last one, so past results never create outcomes that are somehow due to happen. Your Labouchere sequence manages your staking pattern, not the probability of the game itself, which remains constant regardless of what betting system you're using. When you're playing games like American Blackjack that involve skill-based decisions, you want to pair a decision strategy with conservative staking rather than aggressive progression. Use basic strategy charts to determine when to hit, stand, double down, or split your cards based on the mathematical probabilities, but never apply Labouchere to those actual gameplay decisions. Instead, use the Labouchere system only to structure your bet sizing on those fixed odds outcomes. A smart approach is setting a small starting sequence that matches just 5-10% of your total bankroll, which helps you avoid the dangerous trap of chasing losses when the sequence grows longer after a losing streak. The key principles to remember are straightforward. Use Labouchere exclusively on 1-to-1 even odds bets. Always separate your staking systems from your decision strategies so you're not confusing bet management with gameplay choices. And set firm bankroll limits before starting any progression system to protect your funds from the inevitable variance that comes with negative progression betting.